Now, the Tyfu Cymru Award is for a business based on their engagement with the Tyfu Cymru project. The award recognises the commitment made to ongoing horticulture training and continuing professional development.
Y busnesau sydd ar y rhestr fer yw Bellis Brothers a Farmyard Nurseries. Bellis Brothers run an independently family business located near Wrexham. Maen nhw wedi sefydlu ers 1960 yn tyfu ffrwythau a llysiau ffres ar gyfer marchnadoedd yng Nghanolbarth a Gogledd o'r Llewyn, Lloegr. They've diversified into an extensive farm shop, garden centre, gift department, large restaurant and a seasonal pick your own.
And also shortlisted are Farmyard Nurseries, who are based just outside Llandysul. They comprise of a nursery, garden, shop and a market stall. The nursery covers an area of approximately 3 acres, stocking upwards of 2,000 varieties of plants, as well as 40 polytunnels. So let's meet them both.
Hi, my name's Lucy. I'm part of the team here at Bellis Brothers Farm Shop and Garden Centre. We are a farm shop, garden centre and seasonal pick your own. The business was established in 1878 when we first started growing strawberries. That's developed into quite a huge area of our business. We now also do pick your own pumpkins and it's always very busy. We are absolutely delighted to have been nominated for this award. Thank you for our nominations and we wish everyone the best of luck.
Hello, fi yw Matthew, y rheolwr o Farmyard Nurseries. Ni'n tyfu miloedd o planhigion unusual, pethau fel llysiau, cod, alpines, herbs a herbaceous perennials. Ni'n gwerthu planhigion yn y farced yn Gyfyrddin, yn y siop yn Gyfyrddin a dros y we, a hefyd yn y nursery unan. Mae'n nice cael y webiad gyda Tyfu Cymru yn neud lan am y gwaith caled ni wedi wneud dros y blynydde.
Yr enillydd yw, and the winners are Bellis Brothers. Please welcome Adrian Marks to the stage. Short croeso.
Llongyfarchiadau hefyd. Many congratulations also to the runners-up. Farmyard Nurseries, please welcome Richard Bramley to the stage.